Great morning, everyone.
I am Muskan.
I'm Devindra.
We are here for cooking time.
How many more apples do I need to peel for our apple pie, Mom?
We need about 6 apples, so you need to peel 2 apples more. You are a great helper.
We'll be thrilled to taste our apple pie grandmother.
Yes, of course, Sunny. It's her favorite dessert. We look for her because she know we put it in much love and care. Well, she also prepares all kind of delicious food whenever we go to visit her.
I'm done. I have peeled 6 apples. Should I dish them now?
Yes, you can dish them. Now you can start to make the sauce.
That sounds like fun. Here's the knife, Mom.
Be careful with the knife. When you hand a knife to other person, make sure that the handle of knife pointed to other person to whom you are handling the knife.
Like this, Mom.
Yes, exactly. Now you can get you started with the sauce and mix the butter with the flour, sugar and cinnamon and simmer it for 5 minutes.
The cinnamon smells so good right now.
Now you can make sauce and pie crust is too ready and let all the apple mixture in the dough and bake it for 15 minutes.
The kitchen smells so good right now. Grandma is here.